So here again, Benny, my favorite mechanic, he's got it. There you go. What we're doing is we're changing the, this cover. I don't know what you call it, dashboard cover, because mine, the car that I just bought, it's coming off. So very simple. So you open it, right there was a cover. You pop that out, and there are screws right there.
They're gonna be T20s.
T20s, okay. So T20, and disconnect them. So after taking all the screws, just slides out. You can see this one when it was, coming off. Not a big issue for me, but just looked bad. And Benny happened to go to the junkyard and he found one. He's like, okay, do you want me to get it? I was sure, and I got it. So the new one just goes in. Nothing that it snaps or anything like that, right?
No. It's got little hanger clips right here in the back that it slides into place. You can't mess it up.
Got it.
Or else it won't line up right.
Right. And then you put the T20s back.
I put every single one of them in first before I tighten them.
Right. That's what I was telling my daughter the other day.
Yeah,
when you tighten multiple screws, one thing you need to always make sure that you put all of them, make them little, and then tighten all, because otherwise sometimes if you tighten one of them too much, then it just pushes too much that the other one that won't go in. So I was teaching her some life tricks,
That's excellent.
Now all the screws are in, and the cover is gonna go in.
I'll take this back out.
It just clips. Okay. They clipped in. So your concern was that side didn't quite.
Well, that one was different, and I was concerned because the other ones go in a little hole. That one doesn't.
Got it. Okay. Looks nice and dandy. Thank you.
I don't like how you can see in there.
It is a problem, design problem.
It's a design problem?
Yeah. You have the lights on, you can see the lights on.
On all of them you can do that?
All of them.
That's weird.
Yeah.
It looks like maybe the alignment.